The other night, I rewatched the science fiction film Lucy. What can I say? I'm a Scarlet Johansson fan. For those who haven't seen the movie, it's about a woman who, due to a drug mishap, goes from the ability to use just 10% of her brain to slowly being able to use 100% of her brain and eventually being able to manipulate the world around her. Now, as enjoyably outlandish as this movie is, most people don't seem to bat an eye to the fact that we can only use 10% of our brains. Well, I hate to break it to you, but you're actually using 100% of your brain. There is no superpower lying hidden, waiting to be discovered up in your skull due to unused brain power. It's hard to know where the idea that we only use 10% of our brains came from. There's some theories as to misunderstood papers published in the early 20th century, but definitely in popular media and even, mainstream news media, this idea took hold and is still there to an extent. But it is totally rubbish. We use 100% of our brains. Even when you're sleeping, you're using about 100% of your brain. Your brain, which is about 60% fat, make it the fattiest organ in your body, only comprises about 2% or 1/50th of your body mass. Yet it uses 1/5 of your total energy. Now, evolution isn't that sloppy. It wouldn't have settled for only using 10% of an organ which uses so much energy in your body. So we use all our brain power to various different efficiencies, mind you, but more or less 100% of it is used. Now, interesting fact, in cartoons and movies when you have an idea and a light bulb goes on over the head, well, actually that imagery isn't as silly as it might seem, because your brain is producing right now about 20 to 25 watts of power, which is powerful enough to light a small light bulb. Ain't science fun? Take care.